Hey guys, my name is Kirk. I'm with Midway Auto and RV here in Billings at our new location. This is a Bullet Ultralight made by Keystone, and this is pretty much a glorified apartment on wheels that is a power charging system. And so what I mean by that is this is a solar flex, so we have two panels on top. That's a 400 watt system. We have lithium batteries on this Keystone Bullet. They have heat packs in them, so when the temperature hits 36 degrees, they heat themselves up. So everything in here, there's a very large inverter on here, so you can run hair dryers, you can run the coffee pot, you can do the television, those kind of things when you're boondocking or dry camping. All these awnings now you'll see pretty much are all very similar. And then also they'll have LED lighting now. These canopies are going to flood this area at night for safety for you and the kids. This particular unit, we have power stabilizers. So you're gonna get this level east to west, and then you're gonna take it off your truck and then north-south level it, put the stabilizers down. That's gonna take the wobble and the wiggling out of it when you're at the campsite, people are moving around if you had wind. Moving around the camper here, you'll see that this is backup camera ready. This is a 4,500 pound walkable roof. You can walk on this roof. Moving around the camper here, this one in particular has on-demand hot water heater. If you've got shore water, you're at the campground, something like that, then we don't have to worry about how much water we're taking and take a little bit longer shower. Another great thing that Keystone is doing here too is this is a cable slide system. The cable system is going to give you a peace of mind. It's easy to correct. It's easy if the slide were to get off, and it's easy on the technicians, which keeps your downtime when this is in the shop to a minimum. So I call this kind of just like in your house, you'll have a mechanical room here. This will be where you have your hot water for outdoor shower and cold. A little more equipment in here because this one is well optioned up. This has an inverter in it. So this is a pretty neat unit here. So here now we're in the interior of the Keystone Bullet, the 250 bunkhouse, Western Edition. A couple of things I want to point out at a camper in this floor plan like this. When you're out there looking for a bunkhouse, it's a good idea to at least consider having oversized double bunk. When the kids grow, they're not growing out of the camper and you're not coming in and trading off with me, okay? This was gonna come up here and swing out of the way. It's nice to be able to get maybe kayaks in here, bikes or storage or something like that, things that you can't fit in the back of the pickup when you're hauling. The bathroom is in the rear here. So what are we doing in this floor plan if you're out and about and you're playing and someone needs to come in and use the restroom? If it's a little wet outside, it's dirty outside, they're coming right in the door and just taking a left and being able to use the restroom without tracking mud or dirt or something through the whole camper. Across from the U-shaped dinette, we have the entertainment area. But another great thing about the U-shaped dinette is this will drop down and make a bed, but also the U-shape, every once in a while it rains, we can get a couple more people in here to play cards or do some board games, things like that. You can get the family around the table. Some neat functions on here is we've got USB on the countertop in the kitchen here. We can plug in a coffee pot and we can do that anywhere out in nature, your favorite camping spot. And this here will also store away and out of the area. The 12 volt system, if you get up at altitude, is going to keep your beverages, your meats, those kind of things much colder for much longer. This is called a walk around queen. Sometimes people or salespeople forget to point out that most of the time we've got storage underneath this bed here, okay? So we can get the pillows in there, comforters in there. There's a shoe garage underneath here, or maybe you can put pet bowls with their food underneath here as well. Closets on both sides of the beds with hanging rods, which are a nice feature. Those shelves come out, you can have shelves that pop down. There's a closet rod in here. Now that this is an inverted system, this is a great camper for somebody that may be on CPAPs. That's a real thing in the industry. People didn't have the options. So we have 110 on both sides of the bed here, so you're able to plug in that CPAP machine and get a good night's sleep for the next day's adventures.